If you're looking to create a design project at scale or simply maintain a high level of consistency, you might be familiar with style guides when it comes to colors and typography. Now in Canva, creating a style guide and essentially maintaining that level of consistency is very easy by using the styles panel. So I'm going to show you exactly how this works. But just before we do that, I invite you to open a new Canva document and just add some templates from the templates section. So in this case, I'm going to use this one right here. I'm also going to create a new page since I want to show you some more. And I'm going to add probably another one of these templates. And actually, let's use one of these templates right here. I'm going to go with the cells, and I'm going to select a few of these slides. So let's add this slide, let's add this slide, and I'm going to add just a few so that the concepts that I'm about to share are really going to be clear and make an impact. So now that we have a few slides from a template, we're going to go under the styles panel. Now in this styles panel, by default, you're going to be in this all tab, and over here you can see pretty much all of the styles. Now on the top, you're going to see the two typography styles selected, and on the bottom, the color palette. Now I want to start with just the individual ones. So the color palette, which if I select, for example, any one of these, you can see that now the color palette has been applied to this page automatically. So without having to go into each and every one of these elements and having to manually change the color, which is a great way to save time. Now you can also shuffle if you want this color palette to be applied in a different way. So it's just going to be the same color palette, but with different color combinations until you find the one that you desire. And you can do the same, of course, for all of these color palettes. So as you can see, this is really useful because you can create slides and basically change things up in a very fast and efficient way. Now, the great thing about this feature is that you can not only apply it to this single slide, but to all of the slides. So even if you have 50 slides, you can click on apply to all pages, and boom, we have this color palette applied to all of the pages. Now, of course, you can go individually and change the color palette of the slides individually. So again, this can save a lot of time, and you still have that level of consistency which you are looking for, and to create really good looking slides in no time. Now this is it when it comes to the colors, but we mentioned a second element too, which is the fonts. So if we go under the fonts, you can see that Canva already gives us a lot of different options and ideas when it comes to the font combinations. So this is really useful because you can create different combinations in a very fast and efficient way. And Canva already gives us some hints as to which fonts work well with one another. So this is a lot of work done up front on our part. So say that we like this combination of Poppins bold and Poppins bold also for the content text or the paragraphs. You can simply click on apply to all pages, and this is going to be applied throughout the entire presentation. So again, really useful, really easy, and just a nice way to create styles in a very fast and efficient way. I also want to discuss this initial option, which is Canva giving us both the font and the color palette suggestions. So if we select one of these, you can see that now we have both the color palette applied with some fonts which would ideally look good within that context and color combinations. So this is another great way to basically adjust this and really create a unique looking outcome. Now, also one more thing that we have to mention is that you have the ability to create your very own style and also your very own color styles and fonts. Now, the moment you click on this, however, you have to keep in mind that this is actually a premium feature in some ways. If you want to really maximize this feature, but basically you will be able to add custom fonts as well and create your very own unique style. But I would say that for the most part, these three options still give you plenty of choice, and really is an endless amount of combinations that you can create.